there.
Like down.
Yeah. I'm about to lightning McQueen speed on that. Hey guys, we got assigned a waiver here. How do you feel, Sean? Amazed. Have you ever taken this before?
I've taken one similar to this.
Okay, well he has taken one similar than this. This is gonna be my first time actually taking this. This is very fun.
It's dangerous.
Hello.
What is it? Waivers.
Okay, Donnie, how do you feel about this?
I feel pretty confident.
Pretty confident?
Yeah, I feel like I'm
Okay. Are you like nervous? No? Okay. Cookie, how do you feel? Do you feel nervous?
Are you sure you want to go?
Kinda.
Kinda nervous?
Yeah.
You think you got it? Alright, Nico, how do you feel about this? Are you gonna go by yourself or with mom or dad?
Porque pasas el límite.
You want to go by yourself?
Porque mejor
Are you sure?
So you have to
Nico's too light, bro. She gonna wink.
No creo que tú vayas
Tú manejas con tu mochila, yo manejas tú con tu hija.
But I'm going with you because y'all are gonna turn that. Why?
Ok, Daniela puede manejar conmigo, pero Junior quiere manejar. Junior puede manejar con su papá, ¿verdad?
No.
¿No? Junior se puede ir con su papá. Ok, tú con Nicole. Voy con Nicole. Ok, alguien se tiene que ir con Daniela. Ya de no puede manejar. ¿Se quiere ir contigo ella? ¿Ah?
You gonna go with me?
¿Ah?
Tú puedes ir con Daniela.
¿Es qué?
Tú con Daniela te tienes que ir.
Sí, Yareja tiene que ir
Hey,
con
it's
alguien
open.
porque
Yo
por el
puedo ir.
peso.
Hey,
Yo puedo ir con ella.
Tú te vas con Chandler. Ajá, con Chandler. Es que hay que ver también ahí, ajá, si no te dejan con Chandler, sí.
alright, the waivers are open. Oh, we gotta wait.
Hey, it's about to get real.
Let me get the waiver.
Oh God.
How you feeling?
Huh?
How you feeling?
I'm feeling okay, I guess. Pretty nervous, but
No, let the
Bueno, es que yo les voy a escribir a todos.
hey, they're signing the waiver right now.
Javiera, crea un waiver. Venga.
Sure, I don't. Alright.
El celular, Emilia, para salir volando.
Give it to your mom.
Siéntese la chaqueta para que no me vayan a dar.
Alright, Nicole, how do you feel?
Good.
Good. You nervous?
Yeah.
You sure you got it? Positive?
Yeah.
Alright. High five. You gonna leave me hanging in front of you too? Alright.
Whatever.
Have you asked your mom about it?
About what?
About how she feels?
Oh no, I haven't told her. I'm gonna tell her after you finish signing that. Alright, guys. So, life or death situation. I'm kidding. Life. It's a life situation. I'm gonna have to blast. But I think I am gonna have to use two hands. I don't know. Let's see if I can only use one with that. But I don't know. But if they tell me that I have to put the GoPro away, I'm gonna have to. But I will do a part with me walking over there, and if they say something about the GoPro, I'm gonna put it away, and I'm gonna record my reaction after. Alright, Junior, how do you feel about this?
I feel great. I feel great.
You feel great?
Yes.
You nervous?
Yes.
Are you scared? You got this, right?
Yes, I got this. I'm not scared. But wait. What's that behind you? What the hell is behind you?
What? What, that?
Yeah, that.
It's a little gift shop. I'm pretty sure. Alright, you got it. Getting tired.
No, yo tengo que ir a trabajar. No quiero. No quiero.
You're not gonna go on the ride, abuelita?
No, papi.
No? Oh,
It's too dangerous. No, it's not too dangerous. Just I don't feel like it.
you don't feel like it?
No.
Alright, Eric.
And see what she say about her right.
I told her. She was like she's feeling kind of nervous. Are you going, Cookie? Alright, Eric, how do you feel? You feeling nervous?
Nope.
Is this your first time on this? No? Second time? Second time?
Oh, you done it before?
Pero no,
You gonna
diferente.
die?
Huh? No, yeah, I'm gonna do it. This is my first time ever doing it.
Stop it. One thing I'm popping.
Alright, These guys are still doing the waiver. We'll have to wait. Nerds.
Wait, that's notes? I'm actually kind of scared now.
Danielita,
Dani,
¿quieres
what's up?
repartir?
I'm actually really scared now.
Sorry, you got this. Oh, dame.
Like the attention is kind of
Dale, papi, a todos. ¿No sé?
Y'all want nerds? Nicole, ¿quieres? ¿Quieres?
there.
Pop out using my mouth really quick.
¿Te ponen un cinturón a Chandler?
Es que eso lo está.
Mira cómo va la mamá con la niña. Mira cómo va la mamá con la niña. Mira allá. Mira va cómo va la niña. Mira, allá va la mamá.
It's in your pocket.
My phone. My phone.
What's that other one?
Huh? My phone's right here. What happened? What happened?
What is the weight limit?
230. 230. You don't
Mami,
make
no
it.
puedo ir.
No puede.
Peso más de lo que 230.
Wait, Flaco, what's the weight limit?
There's a junior in there somewhere.
230? It's 230.
Hoy tienen un peso ahí, mira.
Dad, how much do you weigh?
Yeah.
210? Alright, you can do it. The weight limit is 230. The weight limit is 230. Huh? Jeez, you are light as a feather.
Whatever, your sister's lighter.
It's broken.
Probably in cost, I'm gonna be a floaty because I'm light.
Eddie, how much do you weigh? 200. On the dot, 200. Alright, you good. The weight limit is 230. I weigh how much? 140, 148, 145? So I'm straight. I squat more than that.
¿Papi, firmaste allá?
Huh?
¿Firmaste por todos lados?
¿De qué?
¿Ya firmó allá?
Oh, no firmé nada. Allá. Only allá. Alrighty. Alright, we are in 44 minutes of recording.
¿Por qué tienen que hacer eso? Mira, está sola.
Alright guys, I'm gonna stop the recording here and because battery's running down, so I'm gonna stop the recording. We're in like 44, 45 minutes of recording. So I'm gonna head out and I'm gonna start recording once I'm in the ride. So yeah, I will see y'all.